Hey everyone! Today I really wanted to share my 5 favorite red lipsticks with you guys. Now, I know I used to have the hardest time looking for the perfect red. And now I feel like I've found multiple for darker skin colors. So let's get right into it, shall we? So the first one is by NARS and it's called Cruella. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Now, one of the reasons I really like Cruella by NARS is because it's not out there. I feel like this looks very subtle on my lip. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's nothing subtle about red, but I feel like it just goes with any outfit, any color of eyeshadow, and it's really, really soft on my lips. So that's one. The next lipstick is by Stila and it's in the shade Rubino. Of course, this one's one of my favorites because it's Stay All Day, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one for you guys. And it's on. Alright guys, so one thing I absolutely love about this one is that it has the softest applicator I have ever felt on my lips, and it just slides on and it's so comfortable. It definitely does last you all day. So yeah, this one's one of my favorites. Okay guys, so the next one is by Kat Von D and it's called Nosferatu. Yeah, the name is a little bit difficult to pronounce, but I will definitely write it down in the description below. This was what it looks like. I do have the mini version, but I'm going to tell you guys, I love this one because of its darker side of red. I generally tend to lean towards the darker shades when it comes to red anyway. I feel like the lighter, brighter reds don't give me that look that I'm always going for. The first time I got the sample of the Kat Von D, I went crazy. This was actually one of my first finds, or well, it found me because for the longest time I'd already been looking for a red lip color that I thought I would be able to pull off. For the longest time I felt like I couldn't pull off a red lip. But again, that's just me and my journey of makeup. So the next one is by Colourpop in the shade Snow Fleek. This one is also matte just like the rest of them, and I really like this one because it's more on the affordable side. This red is definitely more on the brighter side. I feel like lighter brown skinned girls can definitely pull this off so much better, and it definitely gives that pop that you're looking for. So the last one is by Julius Place and it's called Lulu Matte. I will tell you this, that this is definitely my go-to. I wear this almost every time I wear red. So yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, so this one's one of my favorites. Like I mentioned earlier, this is my go-to because I feel like the blue undertone of this red lipstick gives that perfect touch on my neutral toned or neutral undertone skin. I hope that makes a little bit of sense to you guys. These are my 5 favorite reds. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know if you have a favorite red, and we'll chat soon. Thanks, guys.